What's like your best sound that you could recreate of something?
Wait, I got it. Is that cool?
Like, that is
Wow.
someone's voice, though.
That was really good.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Oh, I got one that's even better.
All right, let's
Okay.
hear it.
It's either like a dolphin or a bird, whatever you want it to be, really. Wait, I don't know if it's gonna come through. If it does, I'm so sorry. I'm doing the noise in 3, 2, 1.
That sounds like a blown out pussy. Sorry. That sounds like a big queef.
That was so fast.
What was that? Girl, what was that? That sounds
Okay.
like post backshot
All
blowout.
right. I blew my pussy up in the cam. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. That just, I feel like I've just had heard